Welcome to the Sam and Joe VA Show, where we teach women just like you how to start and scale a thriving virtual assistant business.
We're your hosts, Sam and Joe, and get ready to have the control, flexibility, and freedom you've always dreamed of.
Welcome to episode 201. No one cares how you look as much as you do.
We have our signature course launch in 30 days, and each time we run this course live, we have at least one aspiring virtual assistant or established virtual assistant who's doing the course freak out about one module in particular, and it's the DIY photo shoot module. And they freak out for a few reasons. They either dislike having their photo taken, they are insecure about something in particular, or they're really worried about being judged.
Such a shame. This is a big, deep topic. I feel like we really want to do this justice because you listening right now have insecurities about the way you look. It is all of us. Every single person has these insecurities. It's kind of, if we think about it, like some of us will get past them enough to do the thing that we need to do anyway. The photos, the brand shoot, the DIY photos, whatever it is, the showing up online. Some of us will do that and some of us will hide. And it's such a shame because this is such a big part of being a virtual assistant business owner.
Yeah, you may have heard us talk about this in the past, that especially in the VA space, building that know, like, and trust is key. There's no hiding from that. And one of the quickest ways to build that know, like, and trust is to be the face of your business, to not hide behind your brand, whether your logos, your pretty colors, avatars, whatever it is that you're using in order to hide is going to hold you back.
Because your potential clients are shopping around looking for a virtual assistant and they are going to be asking themselves, can I trust this person? And are they going to do a good job? They can't know whether they can trust you without looking into your eyes, either in a photo or a video. There is absolutely no trust that can be built without them seeing you.
You were one of many. You are one of a crowd of thousands of virtual assistants out there.
So what better way to start the building of that trust than to have your photo online and be the face of your business? So we know that you are absolutely desperate to skip the step of taking photos of yourself. You're going to find every excuse that you possibly can. We know this.
Oh, we've been there. I'm still there. It's not as if something has magically happened that all of my insecurities have disappeared. Like, they're still there. I
Yes.
struggled with them more like 8 years ago when I first started, but they haven't gone away.
Yeah, so they're still there, but you've done it anyway, right? Because you
Oh.
know how important it is.
Yeah. I think that's it, right? Like, as much as every single photo shoot we do, every time we're on a live, we're recording a podcast episode, every awards that we've been up on stage hosting, I have just gone, this is the last place I want to be right now. I much prefer to hide away and be in the background. But if I want to be successful, if we want to be successful, we know there is no way we can do that hiding. It comes down to how much did we want it? How much did I want it? It was only going to happen if I could feel the fear and do it anyway.
Yeah. So how much do you want it? How much do you want your virtual assistant business to be successful? Because it isn't enough to be really good at delivering the services that you offer. It isn't enough. You are a business owner, and if you don't have any clients right now, or you're wanting to attract any clients in the future, you will need to show your face online and be the face of your business.
Yeah, this kind of, I feel that this comes back to the difference between being a successful virtual assistant and being a successful virtual assistant business owner.
Because yeah, we all have these insecurities. I have insecurities about my mole. Every time I turn my face this way, or I see a photo taken from that side, I'm like, oh, I just wish that I didn't have 1,000 moles on my body. Definitely insecure about that. And recently, as you age, you start to see changes. Like I have this big line across my neck that was never there.
And the thing is, anyone watching you, until you point it out, they would not have even noticed it. Because you know what? People don't care about the way you look. They are worried about how they look. Like you're worried right now about how you look. You don't care about how somebody else looks, right? You care about how you look. So it's the same with leads looking at you. They don't care about how you look. They care about how they look.
Uh-huh. No matter who you are, what you look like, you will have insecurities. We totally get that. Remind yourself that everyone does. Everyone is worried about themselves, not about you.
Yeah.
We
Oh,
all have the insecurities.
we really like we feel for you. We know that this is not a just get over yourself and get in front of the camera type of thing. We know it's bigger than that. We know that something potentially has been said to you in the past and you're carrying those words with you. We know that maybe you have had, since having a family, like your body has changed and it's not the same. Maybe you're going through perimenopause and stuff's happening in your body there and things are different. Whatever has happened or is happening that has changed the way you look, that's amplifying those insecurities, it's not something you can just brush under the carpet, but it does come back to how much do you want this?
And how much are you willing to put that fear aside momentarily and do it anyway?
And that we know you can do. I know you can do it because I do it every single day almost. You name it, I'm insecure about it. Weight, teeth, skin, so many insecurities. We've got a brand shoot next week, Joe. Oh, you know what? The closer we get to it, it doesn't matter how many times we do it. And normally each time we do it, it's a different insecurity. Like, oh my God, my skin at the moment, awful. You know, but that's what bloody touch-ups in the editing room are for. Tisha can make my skin look great. It'll be fine.
Yeah. And on our phones, we have portrait mode. It smooths out your skin.
Yeah.
And light is your best friend. That beautiful, natural, diffused light coming through your window can do amazing things for the way your skin looks. So we want you to, whatever excuses you've got, like we've heard them all. Oh, I need to get my hair done. I've got roots showing. That's me at the moment. I don't have any makeup. I need to go buy new makeup. Oh, I don't have any clothes that I can wear. I need to go buy more clothes. I'm feeling heavy. I want to lose some pounds. My skin's not good. Got pimples,
Mhm.
coleslaw, other defect, whatever it is.
Yeah.
We've heard them all.
Yeah. Don't let that hold you back. I've got a question for you, Joe. Last time that you, I don't know, needed a plumber or an electrician around to your place and you did a Google search, whoever you picked, was it the hottest plumber? Was it the plumber with the abs? Was it the young, hot,
There are plumbers
shirtless
with
plumber?
abs?
I don't know. But
Where are they?
had there been, like, would you have picked that young, hot plumber with the abs?
No, I would have picked the one that I knew would turn up, be super reliable, do a great job at a good price.
Because that's what matters. You don't care about how that plumber looks. You really don't. It is
No.
not even, it doesn't, it's not even a thought that whizzes into your head when you're trying to pick the right service provider.
Yeah, it's not like have a lineup of service providers and then you go with the one that you think looks the best because that directly is going to relate to the job that they do. That is not an equation in your head.
No, I
Yeah.
think that equation would only be important if you were a modeling agency and you were,
Yeah.
and you were hiring models, or if you needed to hire a stripper for your girlfriend's bachelorette party, you want a good looking stripper, right? There is
Yeah.
only going to be a very small amount of industries where looks matter. Everyone else, they just don't give a shit the way you look. They really do not care.
And don't let that make you think, oh, it doesn't matter if I show up my face or not then because it doesn't matter what I look like. Well, no, but remember, you have to have your face showing so they can see your eyes and build that trust. I can trust this person. They're going to do a good job. They're going to be reliable. The work's going to get done. That's what they are choosing based on, not the way you look.
What's her advice for, someone really, really struggling with this? To reframe it, to remind themselves that it doesn't matter the way you look, that thing that is glaringly obvious to you when you look in the mirror, no one else is noticing it. They really don't care. They don't care enough about you to be even looking at you that hard for that perceived defect.
Yeah. Yeah. No. No. They're not looking at you that closely. They're looking at your eyes, looking to see if you have a photo or not. That's what's important. So yeah, feel the fear, do it anyway, and then use natural light, use the portrait mode on your phone, take 1,000 pictures if you want to get some that you are comfortable putting online. Because I think the important thing is that once you get those photos, have those images, your marketing becomes so much easier. Creating a website without photos of yourself is very difficult. Putting out social content without photos of yourself is very difficult. It's not going to build that trust. You're not going to have that credibility. This is really important to the success of your business. So feel the fear, do it anyway. Thanks for listening to this episode of the Sam and Joe VA Show. If you'd like to find out more, head to the VA Foundry website to check out the mastermind and the amazing resources, courses, and coaching.
You can find us at thevafoundry.com.